Hello and welcome to the podcast series Anecdotes of Digital Humanities. This is part 2 of the second episode of the series. So let's get started. So, Anjana, what do you think about the definition of digital humanities?
So defining digital humanities, I think we cannot limit digital humanities to a single definition. It is multiple and it varies from the vantage point from where we are trying to look at digital humanities. Especially in Indian context where we do not have a bachelor's in digital humanities, our disciplinary backgrounds does have an influence in the way we try to look at digital humanities. But however, to be comprehensive, I think it's an interdisciplinary field of inquiry that gives us novel perspectives to understand digital technologies and societies, how literary cultures are changing with digital technologies coming into place.
Thank you, Anjana. So, now move on to Lavanya. So, Lavanya, the same question to you again. What do you think the definition of DH or digital humanities?
I think what I understood by the term digital humanities before entering into a postgraduate course here was quite different. I had an opinion that how digital tools have been like changing the society per se, and how can we situate them and analyze them and locate the larger how basically in the larger structure they are affecting the societies. But now, as we have been moving on the course and been readings on in the course of Foundations of Digital Humanities, I think there is a kind of vice versa relationship between the digital and the humanities part. We also have to very critically analyze and understand what exactly is the digital, what is the data, and then we should look at that from a humanities angle per se, and vice versa, in a sense that humanity is also basically what the DH understanding goes on in the like whenever you search what is digital humanities on Google, the very first sentence that you would have is that how humanities have been using digital tools to enhance its study. But what we in the course learned, and what I as a sociologist would say and advice, is that digital humanities is so much more than just humanities academics using the digital tools. So that is what TH is to me.
Thank you so much, Lavanya, for the views. Thank you. So, now we next move on to Kusum. So, Kusum, what do you think? What is digital humanities?
Uh, Digital humanities, if I give a general definition, then it is a field of study, research, teaching, and invention concerned with the intersection of computer and the disciplines of the humanities. And it's an application of computational technology and methods to humanities problems, which were from the history. And digital humanities is the digital alter ego of intercultural studies. It can be said as the community bridge where people from different disciplines and backgrounds come together to talk and effectively combine their skills to connect or conduct interdisciplinary research. Or, in a simple definition, we can say it is a methodological by nature and interdisciplinary in scope. That is what I think of the definition of digital humanities.
Thank you, Kusum. So, moving on to Jinu. So, Jinu, the same question for you also. What do you understand with digital humanities? Or we can say the definition of digital humanities.
Um, I would like to say that digital humanities, as a clear-cut definition, it won't be, I can't give you. But DH, in my perspective and understanding, is a new way of looking into things that is happening around you. Whatever that is happened, and whatever is happening now, you can look in with a new perspective, especially when you are coming from a humanities background. You are incorporating the digital things into it. And I would also say digital humanities is like, rather than limiting your questions, your queries to the boundaries of one subject and its traditional methods of inquiry. For me, I am from an economics background. So there are some traditional methods to analyze poverty, analyze, you know, inequalities. So rather than limiting into that traditional methods, we are finding new, modern, alternative path to solve these questions. Probably a new digital methods.
Thank you, Jenu. Thank you so much. So now moving on to Lakshay. Lakshay, what do you think the definition of
Um,
DH would be?
According to me, digital humanities is the computing of the humanities subjects. We have studied so many humanities subjects like uh, philosophy, sociology, psychology, and according to my own discipline that I have been coming from, likewise from geography. So here I am thinking that it is something related to the practical subjects in geography that I have studied. And as far as I understood, I was interested towards the practical works in geography. So here I want to contribute towards the project works that I have done during the time of graduation. So I have to use that knowledge as well.
Thank you, Lakshay.